Let's do some maths. So this is the question of the day. You can pause the video to do it now, or you can click below to view the whole paper. I set up my screen like so to view the question and the working beside it. Enough talk, I'll start now. So this is one of my favourite questions. Favourite. And you'll see why in a minute. Right, so I'm going to write out the question, A and B. I'm talking to a diverse group, so I'll tell you the brackets mean you have to multiply. So this is actually on side A, 23 times 784, and side B, 24 times 783. Those numbers look similar, the 23 and the 24, the 784, 783. But if I was in an exam and I'm under pressure, I don't know. I know one way that works though. So let's do it. Bit intense, bit old school, but this will definitely get me to where I want to go. So I've started. Right, 4 times 3 is 12, carry 1. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25, carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. Put a 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1, so I have to scrub out what I put for 7. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 16. That's 2. 13, 3 carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 2 and 5 is 7 plus 1 is 8. That's 18032. I hope that's right. On the other side, 783 times 24. 3 times 4 is 12, carry 1. 4 times 8 is 32, carry 1, so 33, carry the 3. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 is 31. Put a 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1, so I've scrubbed out the 3 and I've put a 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 2, 9, 7, 8, and 1. So B is greater than A. But my goodness, that was fiddly. I had to cross out numbers. I had to make sure I knew fundamentals. I had to make sure I added up correctly. That was hard. But let's look at it again. Let's look at it again. If we paused for thought, just let's stop and think in the exam. 23 and 24, they're pretty similar though, aren't they? 23 is 23, but 24 is 23 plus 1. 784 and 783. Well, 783 is 783. I can't do anything about that. But 784 is 783 plus 1. So if I multiply out the brackets, I've got 23 times 783 plus 23. And I got that because I multiplied and I've put the arrows in there. I'll put the arrows in. Let's do it again. 23 times 783 plus 783. Well, the 23 times 783 is common to both sides, so you can just cross that out. So I'm really comparing 23 and 783, of which 783 is clearly better. It's clearly bigger. So B is greater than A. We choose B. That second way is so much less error prone. It's so much quicker, easier to check, but you do have to stop and think in the exam. And for those of you who are aiming for the higher scores, that's essential. Not just knowing the maths, but looking at shortcuts and knowing the more advanced maths, the multiply out brackets, put things into brackets. Always a pleasure. Keep in touch.